In this video, I'm going to show you how you can prevent your Facebook account from displaying mature or adult content. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to disable your Facebook account from displaying mature content, just go to these three lines here and then choose settings and privacy. Under this, go ahead and choose settings. And under this, scroll down to preferences and then choose the first option, content preferences. From here, go to what you see, and we have political content and sensitive content. Go ahead and tap on sensitive content. And from here, go to prevent your Facebook account from displaying graphic or violent content. Go ahead and choose show less here. And here at all, you might not see this content at all. Once you have selected this, now you can go ahead and tap on save. And you're told you might see less sexually suggestive content, and also certain violent or graphic content will be reduced, might not show on your end. So go ahead and tap on OK, and this will go ahead and make the changes. Now, from now henceforth, if you are using your phone or if you are sharing even your phone with minors, you don't have to worry, because such explicit content or sensitive content will not be displayed to them. So that's how you can reduce the amount of sensitive content that are displayed on your Facebook account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.